Everyone has struggled with sleep at some point in their lives. Whether it's difficulty falling asleep, staying asleep, or just not getting enough quality rest, poor sleep can have a profound impact on daily life. Unfortunately, many people suffer from sleep problems and don't realize just how much it is affecting their health and well-being. However, the good news is that there are simple steps anyone can take to improve the quality of their sleep and experience the many benefits that come with better rest. In this video, we will delve into the importance of good sleep, the benefits of better sleep, and simple strategies you can use to improve the quality of your rest. Understanding the importance of good sleep. Good sleep is critical to our overall health and well-being. When we sleep, our bodies engage in a number of important processes that help us to repair, rejuvenate, and refresh ourselves. These processes are essential for maintaining good health and preventing a wide range of health problems, including chronic fatigue, mood disorders, and cognitive decline. Additionally, good sleep is also important for maintaining a healthy weight, reducing stress, and enhancing our ability to think and focus. When we don't get enough quality sleep, we can become irritable, forgetful, and have trouble concentrating, which can have a negative impact on our daily lives. The benefits of better sleep. Improving the quality of your sleep has many benefits, including improved mood. When we get enough quality sleep, we wake up feeling refreshed and energized, which can help us to start the day on a positive note. Good sleep also helps to improve our mood and reduce feelings of anxiety and depression. Increased energy levels. Good sleep helps to increase our energy levels, which can improve our overall performance and productivity throughout the day. When we don't get enough quality sleep, we can become fatigued and struggle to stay focused and motivated. Enhanced cognitive function. Good sleep is important for maintaining good cognitive function, including our ability to think, focus, and remember things. Lack of sleep can impair our cognitive abilities, making it harder for us to perform well at work, school, or other tasks. Simple strategies for better sleep. If you're looking to improve the quality of your sleep, there are several simple strategies you can use, including establishing a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time each day can help to regulate your body's internal clock and improve the quality of your sleep. Creating a sleep-conducive environment. Your bedroom should be cool, dark, and quiet, and free from distractions like televisions and phones. Relaxing before bed. Engaging in relaxation techniques, such as meditation or reading, can help to calm your mind and prepare your body for sleep. Avoiding stimulants before bed. Caffeine, alcohol, and other stimulants can interfere with your ability to fall asleep, so it's best to avoid them in the hours leading up to bedtime. Good sleep is critical to our overall health and well-being, and there are simple steps anyone can take to improve the quality of their sleep. By establishing a consistent sleep schedule, creating a sleep-conducive environment, relaxing before bed, and avoiding stimulants before bed, you can experience the many benefits of better sleep, including improved mood, increased energy levels, and enhanced cognitive function. So, take action today and start getting the quality sleep you deserve. To wrap up, if you want to experience the benefits of better sleep, it's important to make it a priority. Implement the tips discussed in this video and see the positive changes in your overall health and well-being. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on more tips and tricks for a healthier lifestyle. See you in the next one.